Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Reno 11F, and today I'll show you how you can enable and disrupt your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, you're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. And here we're gonna click, actually, we don't need to click on anything, we have just the settings right here, which are very limited. So we have things like schedule in here, so you can select a fully automatic schedule. This will turn on and off the hotspot at your provided day of the week and the time. Next we have contacts, so here you can select who can call you or message you, and then below that we have applications that would be able to bypass the Do Not Disturb mode, so they can still give you notifications and just interrupt you when it's enabled. Then we have a ring for repeated callers. Pretty interesting option for emergency purposes, so it allows calls to go through no matter what you selected under contacts, assuming said contact calls you twice within a 3-minute period. As you can see, the time restriction kind of makes it an emergency kind of thing. Usually people spam call you when they have emergency, or just go one after another till you pick up, which obviously would meet that requirement. And last thing is silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. Once you set it all up, you can simply toggle it on and off from your tray right here. So right now it's enabled, and once I'm done with it, I can tap on it again to disable it. And if you're planning to use schedule mode, just make sure that the schedule that you set up is toggled on, and that's all you need to do. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.